Hi everyone, this Hannah move-in ready home is available now in our Deauville East community in Clovis, and it's just steps away from a gorgeous community park. This home features 4 bedrooms plus an upstairs loft or flex space that you can use as a home office or an entertainment center. Plus it has 3 full bathrooms and a 2-car garage. And don't forget, this home features Enter Now instant home access for your chance to take a tour on your own time. Let's go take a look. As you step in, the first thing you'll notice is a bedroom, a full bathroom, and an under staircase storage area. As we step into this open concept living space, you'll notice this wood plank tile flooring that you'll find throughout the common areas of the home. And as we pass through the great room and dining space, you'll step into this bright white kitchen that features quartz countertops, a subway tile backsplash throughout, a white granite composite sink, stainless steel appliances, a KitchenAid microwave and oven, and a spacious walk-in pantry. At the top of the staircase, you'll find this spacious loft that you can use as a home office or an entertainment area. And right across, you have this spacious master bedroom that steps away from this gorgeous master bathroom that features a large step-in shower, a tiled-in tub, quartz countertops, and white cabinets throughout, plus additional storage space. And you have this amazing walk-in closet. Upstairs, you also have 2 additional bedrooms, a laundry room, and the spacious full bathroom. This modern farmhouse Hannah sits on a pool-sized lot and features 4 bedrooms, plus a loft or flex space upstairs that can be used as a home office or entertainment area. Plus you have 3 full bathrooms and a 2-car garage, and it's just steps away from a gorgeous community park. Contact our Copper River sales office for more information.